Well, morning. Hands on. Play some music. Right, good morning. Let's just share the YouTube link and then we'll gonna go through. We see today's set just on a I was hitting the sell-off. This isn't able to really was with the morning. So leave it. Stacks today. Safety. Hello. What's up on my mic?
Hello. That should be better. Oh yeah, that's way better. I'm gonna have to switch headphones in. That microphone was really bad. Yeah, it's much better now. I can hear it. Tested it. Share this everywhere. Sharing the Louis Vuitton, your Louis Vuitton, counting stars. Right, going to do a market overview. After we do a market overview, let's just get this set up. Right, so let's turn the music down a little bit. I'm expecting DAX to drop here. Might have an entry. Might be able to get a trade here. Do you want to? Let me ask you. Do I want to be on or off stream? Yeah, waiting for this the Hong Kong situation to sort out as well. Might get a position here soon. Let's have a look at 10 minutes. Yeah, if this breaks lower, it'd look pretty good. Coffee in the morning is the best thing ever. Louis Vuitton, your Louis Vuitton, counting stars.
Dan.
I might set a pending up here.
Hello?
So it literally just missed like GBP USD this morning. Such a good trade. Let's do a market breakdown today. Let's have an overview as well of the week. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Welcome back to a breakdown and review. We are live on YouTube. Just to start off the video, is just to remind you guys every single morning now, 9 o'clock, just bringing back the live streams. So do come and show some support and just trade with us in the mornings. It's 9 o'clock because I like the mornings to really like zone in. I may set them, in the future if you guys vote enough or if you want to comment. I'm happy to kind of start them at like 8 o'clock so you guys can all talk to each other if need be. And then at 9 o'clock, that's kind of when I'll like jump on the mic. I'll still be here talking and I can share my screen and share like all the charting and analysis. but then I can jump on the mic at like 9 o'clock properly. But this morning, straight away this morning, I had bias straight away for sales, which is the first thing I kind of sent this morning on Telegram. In the morning, I have these bias sales for the market, and it did exactly that. I wanted GU and DAX sales and charts were incoming. And what I normally do on the signals is as well is I always send the pre-market analysis and then the after market analysis as well, just to kind of, it keeps me in habit. And the reason I had the sell idea is because number one, we had the pullback for FOMC, then we had the drop. I wanted that to break the support and to come lower. But then yesterday during the Asian session, it did exactly that, absolutely melted. And then our London Open or EU handover ended up breaking down and coming to this next this next kind of area or price action zone, which is here. So right now, immediately, my main trade idea is a DAX. I'm waiting for a DAX for continuation. I'm just waiting for an entry price right now, and I'll be looking potentially to take profit one here, and then take profit two would be a very big drop if it does decide to drop today, which it can very much likely do so, because if we look at the 4-hour chart, we can see there are plenty of price zones here to be touched, and obviously it hasn't been broken in the past couple of months, but these are the next key areas for price to become. Now, I also did say I am aware that this could reverse, and this is just due to fundamentals. And the fundamentals of this and why I think it could reverse is because being in this scenario many times in the market, what normally happens is it kind of price sits around this zone and price hits this up and down. December confirmed my bias where the structure worked, and obviously in the pandemic, when the lockdown happened, the same scenario happened then as well. So there's no reason why it couldn't happen again now when it comes to like recession, etc. So we'll see. And what we need for a reversal, and if we start loading up buys, is obviously we need to break this main price here, which is at 12,900. So as soon as it breaks this, I'll be loading up buys and expecting a potential reversal to come in the future. So just to kind of share that analysis with you. Then next up was GBP/USD. GBP/USD has just honestly been making crazy lows. And if we look on the 4-hour in specific, my target is down here because of the night yesterday and today. I've been saying in 1985 that was the low that was created. So this is the low that we have that's targeted here to be retested, and it's just price going from one station to the other. We've had a huge drop off. Still great sales on this resistance here. FOMC retraced, pulled back onto this price, drop off, and then this morning Asian session drop, and then London session drop. So I missed the main sell here. This was honestly gorgeous, but it is what it is, and I think we'd have to wait for next week to really get some GBP trades again. So today, try and get that one trade a day, and DAX looks like the main one to wait for at the moment. So once we get that pattern A, we should get a continuation. Might get an entry price in a second and then send the signal. And then we'll talk about a little bit about funded today, some news. I'm reviewing some stuff anyway, so I thought I might as well go through on the stream because I'm going back to HK, so I'll get that done. And then I'm doing basics like about like Forex again, and that's all on my Instagram. And be talking about that. So definitely go check those out. And the website is also nearly finished as well. So definitely go and check that out. I need to refresh it. Boom, the videos are there. We're just working on the color scheme. The funded courses there, bundles are there. A little bit about me in the interviews, testimonials, all of them are there. Then the 3-step guides, everything, all the resources, Telegram, and also partnerships. Icon are paying for a lot of stuff. Icon are actually paying for a year's worth of signal. They're paying for the course. They're paying pretty much for everything just if you trade with them. So definitely reach out if that's something you're looking at. All right, just going to end that, and then I'll see you in the stream. Cool, that's the recording done. I'll send that recording in now. Oh, that was a good entry. Morning, Yue. Morning, everyone on the stream. Also, make sure you smash the like button for me, guys.
Morning.
How's it going? Ooh, this one, I hit TP1 like straight away.
How do you get that entry?
Do you know what the price? Oh, the price from the price from the chart and the price from my what do you call it? Platform is different.
Oh.
Yeah, like the signals is based on my Forex funds, whereas the charts is based on what's this FTMO by the looks of it. Because obviously price right now is 62, right? But the price on my thing is 76. So there's like a 10 pip difference. So even though price is 76 here, yeah, it looks a bit different. For example, it's very close to break even right now.
Okay. On my platforms, one is 468 right now.
468. Yeah, see, the prices are different. So what you'd want to do is look at, see, that's why I say on the signals, if you want to look at the chart.
Yeah, that's why I try to understand the chart first. Yeah, I try to understand to see what my actual bit and pieces are.
So stop losses above the previous candles there, where they've got that double top essentially, and then the TP is obviously I sent 2 TPs, so the TP1 is just that previous low, and then the next TP is if it breaks out, then I'm going to catch the belt. And the stars, your Louis Vuitton, stars, hey, Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, I definitely missed that one. Not going to chase it.
Well, it's a good mentality. Just learn from it, I guess.
Done too much, because the more I chase it, the less, the more stop loss I have to put in there. So it just not good cycles.
Just watch and learn the trade, I guess. Yeah. It might, and also the thing is, this doesn't mean it's a winner just because it's pushed this much. Could either or. Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton. Just got to take it as it comes. Plus, there is a major support zone here right now. Like, this is a major support, hence why it's TP1, because this has been the support for all of this from March 22. Might as well send that in, actually. Your Louis Vuitton. Come on, hit TP1 quickly. Secure this so it doesn't stress me out. Your Louis Vuitton, your Louis Vuitton. Stars, hey. Your Mateo Hangwa.
Yeah, 3 days, right?
Yeah, boy.
Are you going?
Kind of
going back?
doesn't really make sense, but yeah, I'm going back. I have to. I've got to go back. Yeah, or something.
Okay. You don't have to go back. 因為身份證嘅話，it's like as long as you land, you have to do it, but you can miss it, it's fine.
No. My one's because I was born here, innit?
BBC. Oh yeah.
Yeah. BBC have to go back every 3 years, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Well, it's like okay, so it's this year, so yeah. I'm going next year anyway, so I can do my ID next year, but I just need to like yupping.
Mm-hmm. So they know you're here, not run away.
Yeah, got 3 stars. 無香證都要申請啦，過期啊。
Yeah, those are usually 10 years, isn't it?
God, that's gone quick. I'm old now. Woo! It's one of those trades where it's a lot easier.
Oh, wow.
God damn, boy. Thank you. I'm going to close that. I'm not going to make the mistake I made the other day when it was 2 pips away.
What a nice trade.
One hit.
Can you hear me?
Well, actually, it's going to
Yep.
hit TP1 very closely. I'm just going to let that hit TP1.
Oh, are you making a mistake again? Will you be doing the same thing again?
I've already closed it.
Have you? Okay.
Yeah. But I noticed this time the momentum's too good not to hit. Waiting for TP2 now, so 50% closed today. So secure.
So technically, it's hitting the lowest point on the yesterday's anyway.
Correct. Yeah, man. It's good to see your trading improving, bro. Like I feel like have you been waking up early? Also, don't forget Sunday. Yeah, Sunday we've got this.
This week was shit. This week was so bad.
Yeah, you woke up quite late this week.
Yeah, God. Try to change the watching Netflix.
Yeah, that's okay though. I think if you sleep late, it's fine, but just still wake up. Just wake up tired, and it's discipline.
Yeah, true.
It's just if you can get used to it or not, it is very tough. Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton. I guess nowadays it's harder for the stream as well. I was thinking about it for people to join in because people have work. There's I was thinking like 62 people that was COVID. Everyone was working from home at that point.
That made me sound like I'm a slacker. Try to handle like 3 monitors at the same time, working and looking at this at the same time.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people try to do. Yeah, that's what I want these streams for, isn't it? People just put in the background.
Yeah, the downsides I need like to see 2 things. One is on the actual chart and the other one is on your screen. Because sometimes it's fine to look at other people's chart, but it's easier for you to chart it so you actually learn to see what the hell is going on. So
100%.
that's what I need to see on both sides. Okay, you see that system, how can I see it next time? So that's kind of stuff that I try to do.
That is perfect. Honestly, I feel like that's more beneficial from signals than just taking my trades. Because taking my trades, like sometimes you get better entry, sometimes you don't. It's hit and miss. It's up and down, and people can't always take the emotions because when it's a losing streak, you have someone to blame because the losing streak's me, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if it's a winning streak, obviously I get the credit. But you've been in the signals long enough, you literally see like once I'm on fire, I'm on fire, and then once I'm losing, I'm losing. Once I'm losing, I'm losing. It just comes in waves.
When you're on fire, I always miss it because you woke up too late. When you start to have a losing streak because it's like later, then I keep hitting it, so I keep hitting it better.
Yeah, that's essentially what will happen. But
sometimes I do convince myself as well. So that's one thing is I need to convince myself that's a good trade as well. Because it's fine to see someone else trade, but if it's not something that okay, it makes sense, but is it too early? Then it's too early. Because even though
what you should do,
you
should open up a 100k account demo and just trade that for a month and see what you get.
Okay.
and link it to your own account,
Yep.
and so you know that it's live, if that makes sense.
Yep.
Because whatever you do with that account is gonna have it's gonna affect your live account, so you can't just go and fuck around with it. You have to trade it properly, if you know what I mean.
But that way, I can also see the change of emotion on the large account just to start up that process.
Yeah. Because sooner or later, the goal is for you to take the challenges later. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Yeah, I guess so. The linking one, yeah. You could do the tutorial. Was that this Sunday?
Okay, yeah, I can do a tutorial this Sunday on it.
Oh, I'd be so tired then. Oh god.
What are you doing? You going out?
This weekend there's a Pride weekend in Birmingham. I live quite near to it.
Nice. So, are you going to it, or you just it's just going to keep you up?
I will go to it, and as well as keeping me up as well, because it's just right around the corner. It will be so loud. So if I can't fight, I haven't joined it.
It's fair enough.
So,
how are you finding the weekly calls? Are they helpful?
Yes. They forced me to wake up 7:30. So that's what the helpful part.
Yeah, I wake up. I like waking up early. Summary. This week you want the social traders.
Oh, I didn't look at the
tutorial.
The screen. Oh, social trader.
My main trading. Trades. That's this week's planned.
And also, I found myself using a lower time frame. Now I'm using 5 minutes, like what you did as well. It just look a lot more less fluctuations in a way.
Yeah, like everything for me still is higher time frame. It's just 5 minutes I'm able to just execute, because I realize I miss a lot of entries waiting on 10 minutes, and what happens is on 10 minutes you get such a bad entry that the trade doesn't, like you said earlier, right? By the time you get in, the risk to reward is just so minimal, it's not really fully worth it. But as soon as you go into 5 minutes, you get so many more opportunities.
Because you wait for one candle in some time, but that candle probably form in low time frame already, but high time frame just lagging behind.
Yeah, so for example, obviously here would be an exit or a potential something to consider, but because we would have entered so much earlier on, like here around 7:45, this is such a good entry. Look at this pattern A, you know what I mean? Like this would have been the one, man. Like this would have paid so well today if we rode this literally to the support anywhere like this and stop loss above. That's a 4.3R. Damn. Yeah, and you won't get that on 10 minutes, because on 10 minutes, by the time you've done it here, you'd have to wait for this candle, and this candle may have already pushed by then.
Yeah. Then what stopped you from the entry this morning then? Or did you just not see
I was just busy.
Okay.
I woke up early, as you can obviously. I sent that through. Then I faffed around in bed, which was, even though waking up early was kind of pointless. And then my main focus at the moment is not trading. As soon as I wake up, it's not to trade. It's actually to get my mind right, to read my vision board, to breathe and be grateful, and then I come and trade. Because the reason of that is not to come into trading with obviously coming into trading with a better state and all that kind of stuff helps, but what really helps, I think, is I come in and I accept whatever happens, right? Because it sucks to trade, put all the effort, wait those hours, and then it loses money. And it's part of the process, is what it is, right? And as much as it is what it is, you need to be okay with it more than ever. So
True. It's always opportunities. You just need to make sure that you're mentally prepared as well. Okay.
Correct, yeah, that's it. And I think because I was so focused on refinement as well, and I haven't traded pattern A in a long time, it doesn't matter what you do, your trade can always be better. So And because I'm always self-developing and want to be better, to be honest, just leave it. Just let your trading be. It is what it is, and just accept it because you can trade and you can make money, and just let it compound, and then the rest will be history.
Yep. Let's see trade more like grade A trade, isn't it?
Correct. Yeah. A
That's
plus.
the book, isn't it? A. Yeah, I read that as well. I use that all
The one good trade, is it that one?
Yeah. I think someone
that's a
mentioned
good
on the group before, and I put audiobook. It's quite good. It mentioned
me.
a lot. It's like, but then in my mind, it's like, what's the meaning to me for? So they did mention that you need to list out what is a C trade, what is a B trade, an A trade. I think list them all out and then grade them afterwards. There will always be a C trade. But
Yeah, and that's one thing I think, you know, you definitely need to grade yours and start like journaling and using your stuff more, because I think that's the only thing. It's not like you can't see the market, it's not like you can't break down a trade, and it's not really like you don't know how to open and close your trades either. I just really think you lack that last little push, and that last little push is down to either do you want it enough, what type of work are you putting in, right? Because it's the same as me, right? Like, think about it. I'm not better than you. I'm not like better than you or whatever, but I'm a trader, and you're trying to get to my level of trading, but for you, right? Everyone has their own trading.
Yep.
But I put hours of back testing in. I read loads of books, and I'm doing that. So you should be doing the same, even more, because you want to get here faster. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So
it's the foundation to build up.
yeah,
it's not
I
about
want you to
jumping
win,
there.
man.
If you can't land properly, there's no point jumping all the way up here.
Yeah, and I want you to win, bro. You know, so that's why I'm always calling you out and
At
like.
the moment, it's been good so far. This week didn't do much then, but I just look in the market to
That's
see.
also a good thing.
Yeah, because this week, of course, I'm not in a good mind state to trade anyway, because I woke up late, busy at work. So, but then when I look at the market, it's like, if I see that next time. So again, last time we mentioned the pattern recognition, right? So this week is all about for me to enforce refine the fact that I can see the pattern.
And to grade them.
Yeah.
You should start grading them. Edgewonk is really good for that. You know, Anton bums Edgewonk, but he's not wrong. Like Edgewonk has helped me a lot.
Yeah, I just need to justify the
Edgewonk will change your life.
Okay. Edgewonk will change my life. That's my.
It's $160. It's $160, and there's like $10 off, I think, for using my code. But it's up to you. Like this, Edgewonk is. I think it's necessary, but not necessary. You know, but for me, it was necessary. I do think it is good. But yeah, I won't say like you have. Like there are certain things I'll tell you that you have to get right, which I've done in the past. With this, I think it's good, but it's up to you, because Edgewonk really is powerful. You can see a lot of information. You can see your trade breakdowns. You can see everything. You can see when you're going off track and all that kind of stuff. But I think maybe get it in a week or two time. I think what you need to do in these next couple of weeks is use Notions to really track all your pattern recognitions, grade your setups and trades, and then do a month of really good trading. And then from there, get it. Because what you've done then is instilled what you're looking for, proven doing 30 days of that, and then you can use Edgewonk to track the rest. Yeah, that's probably a good idea, because then hopefully your goal is really just to make $160 next month from live trading, which is not a lot. So if you do a 100k demo and you link I don't know, like a 10k account, 5k account, even 1k account, if you make 16%, right, or even whatever percent you want, that essentially will pay for your Edgewonk.
How much I earned last week? I think I earned like 3-4 lunches last week. I used my lunch as my gradient. Before that, it's like a different currency. Back the time, currency was chicken wings.
Nice, man. That's the way I used to do it, man. I used to do bills. You know, it was like, oh, this pays for my internet bill, 20 quid a month. This now, obviously, I don't even use trading to pay for my stuff, because I have other things, which I'm very lucky, because this year I've had like no income. Oh, there we go. That drop. Beautiful. I think we could melt. Yeah, I think we can melt now.
It's gone through the resistance. How can it do this?
Beautiful. Come on, come to TP2. TP2, and then I've had a solid week. This is your Louis Vuitton, your Louis Vuitton. Right, let's just leave that. Yeah, so I think that's a good currency to have. I think if you can keep trading it. Have you watched that Roger Banks interview? It's probably one of the best trading interviews I've seen.
It's one on the group.
Yeah.
I think
Well, I'll try
sometimes.
and hit. I definitely want to get to a level. I want to be on his podcast. I want to fly to Miami and jump on with him. And then I definitely want to meet Roger. I was supposed to meet Roger last time, but I couldn't make it happen. So,
Well, the Dubai or somewhere else.
yeah, in Dubai, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, you got on trip from what, next month, right? Is it next month?
Yeah, that's why I go in Hong Kong, Dubai, and Philippines and stuff.
All right. Yeah, I'm planning my trip to Malaysia as well.
I just sent it to you on Telegram.
December. Try to see how many days I get off from work to go to Malaysia for a friend's wedding. And then probably do Singapore and see have I got the time for us to go to Hong Kong and stuff.
Asia tickets are expensive at the moment.
Yeah.
Flights are expensive.
1.2k won't go right now.
Yeah, it's like 6k for me.
Is that for the whole family or just yourself?
Family, yeah.
Well, you've got a month and a half to earn that.
Do you know what? Just in case, I'm happy with this as well because this sets off the week and this is a major support.
Mm-hmm.
not
That's a
going-
TP2, isn't it?
No, TP2 is lower. TP2 is a little bit lower. It's like 400. It can run to TP2, but I want to secure today.
I thought you hit TP1 already.
TP1 already hit, yeah. TP2 would be, it will come down to TP2.
400, isn't it?
Yeah, 400.
Okay. Yeah. Looks like it bouncing back up again. Really interesting. Yeah, I've been looking at the. I'll try to find is any more like indicator I can use. People keep using the RSI, but I'm not sure how to use RSI. It's like keep looking at like graph waving everywhere left and right. I probably need to get some YouTube to find out how RSI actually means.
There's relative strength index. Hold on, let me just. Yeah, this is definitely going to drop. But I'm happy with closing.
Mm-hmm. Are you not going to leave some open at 0.1 and just let it run or something like that?
No, it's to instill discipline.
Pushing again.
Yep, the was really nice to drop, but there is obviously the off chance of the support. But I want to take that. There's a reason I want to take that. I'm going to explain right now. Okay, so right, let's have a look. Louis Vuitton. Right.
Look at the charts.
Okay, so welcome back. Today's the 23rd of September on Friday. And this is the trade we're going to review. Now, I've just closed this trade right now, and if you want to go back, we can see. But the second take profit, so TP1 was here, and then TP2 is just above 400, actually, comparing the chart to my actual broker. And I've ended up just closing here for a specific reason, which I want to talk about today, which is to instill, number one, a little bit of discipline. I am quite confident that this is going to drop further, but there's a reason why I closed early. So let's just recap everything first, so we have the whole story and we understand everything. Okay, so this morning we woke up, DAX and GU sales was straight away on my mind. As soon as that comes in, I've woken up, I've looked at the 4 hours, fresh eyes. I believe that the market is going to be bearish and it's going to drop further. And that's the first set. I missed the first trade on both of them. You know, DAX and GU ended up dropping, and there was two absolute solid trades, 7R, 8R around there. And then I ended up getting an entry just now recently and sent the signal for DAX short. So for TP1 and then TP2. TP1 closed at 50%, and then TP2 I avoid. I want to secure my profits today and end the week strong. I do believe it was dropped further, but you know, there's a reason why I'm closing it, and that's the reason about why this video is being made right now. Now, the reason I'm closing it is because of discipline. Now, I sometimes struggle with FOMO, right? So I think everyone does, but what that is basically I could run this down, yeah, of course, and yes, I'm leaving money off the table, but in the long run, this is going to be better for me, because when you look at a trade, you can always have a better entry, you can always have a better stop loss, you can always have a better take profit. Alongside with that, sticking to your plan for one thing of securing profits at 3R really can compound in the long run, because yes, this trade might go, but one thing I know for sure that's definitely messed with my mind in the future is when you get one solid trade, right? As soon as you get one solid trade, like a good 10R, 15R, which I've had in the past, which I've reduced a lot, is that ends up making you having this expectation that you can actually get these trades again, which is really not likely. You will get like these 1 to 15R, 10Rs. The max I've had is 15R, and that'll happen maybe in a blue moon, like once every quarter or whatever. The consistency of doing 5 trades and doing 3R is much higher probability and a lot of higher chances and a lot more opportunities on a daily basis than there is for 15R. Okay. So that's kind of the main reason of why I'm securing. I'm securing because I want to end the week strong. The profit is what it is. You can always get more. I want to instill the discipline, because discipline is just basic habit. And the main thing is 1 trade a day keeps the job away, 1 to 2 trades, just keeping it very simple. And I just want to action on this every single day. And this is why the lives are back, because the lives are a prime example of discipline. Me coming on live trading with you guys, showing you the analysis, breaking everything down. I feel like this is discipline into myself, and we've got to bring it back up again, right? And it's it's actually quite fun again, I guess. The pressure's a little bit different this time, so you know, I get to speak to you guys in the morning, especially UA and Brendan, who come in pretty much every morning as well. So it's good to catch up every morning. So yeah, that's pretty much the main reason for that. So I hope you guys learn something from this and understand that it's okay to leave money on the table. Profit is profit, like UA said yesterday. That's the first thing. Profit is profit. Understanding that in the long run it makes sense. And look, it doesn't matter like where it goes from here now or the other, but I know that if this bounces, I'll be very happy. If it drops, I'm still happy. But if I held the position and then it reversed from here, I wouldn't be happy. So I'm in tune with that. I want to close it. I'm happy, secured, done. The week is absolutely solid week, and I feel good. Back on for Sunday, back on for Sunday with the review with the team, and then back on it with next week as well. So that is the breakdown. Remember to check us out on, let me finish off with a plug. Make sure you check us out on YouTube. We're live trading every day, 9 a.m. The room is open a little bit earlier, so check us out. And then don't forget, on Telegram, we have our main group, which is here. You can join updates only. And then this is open for people to kind of check and stuff. So you guys can send charts in for us to review, like he has here, to review XRP, which I'll do in a minute. And then some other charts you can send in, I can also review for you guys as well. And then check out our website for resources and our courses and other stuff like that. Okay. Boom. Yeah, I'm very happy with that close. Very happy. Louis Vuitton, your Louis Vuitton, counting stars. And that's today's balance. You can see 2K. With a slight drawdown on the accounts, building it up still. Today was a good solid day. I'll leave that up if anyone wants to look at that. While
And that's on how big is the normal can size there?
100K.
100K for what, 1%?
Yeah, I did a little bit less than 1%.
Okay.
This is the edge one, by the way, if you want to see.
Yep, looking right now.
So it basically shows you like the days you profit, the ways you win.
Uh-oh.
So this week is the why is there so many trades? Oh, okay, it counts partial close as a trade. I forgot about that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but yeah, anyway, this is that doesn't matter anyway. This is this shows you your profit calendar, which I absolutely love. You click on it, it shows you the trades. You can go through your journals, you can click through and then edit them, profits, your setups and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, I know why. It's got the wrong data in.
You can mend it afterwards, right? Or do they link together? To link it.
Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the other. I'm going to delete the other statement, and then I've just got to I've got to put in a new statement in. Oh, that's just messed it all up. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, you can delete the entries anyway, so it's fine.
Yeah, I thought usually you can edit entry. If anything goes wrong, you edit entry just in case. That would be a good system if they have it.
Counting stars. Your Louis Vuitton, your Louis Vuitton. Your Louis Vuitton. Right, let's put this one in now.
Oh yeah, when's the news coming up? You know, Martin mentioned about the emergency news coming up.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'll try.
I was looking at that as well today.
Is that on the Forex exchange or Forex factory? Yes.
No, they haven't got an announcement here, but they do have a meeting, I think. I remember seeing it somewhere. Oh man, I haven't looked at Financial Times in ages.
I heard the news this morning. They mentioned something about the lowering the tax and stuff. There, isn't it? Or using more borrowed money, but that just makes GBP weaker. Meaning less holiday money.
What's going on? Have I? Oh, hey guys, what's happening? Long time no see, AM. Welcome back onto the streams, my brother. Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm back on the streams every day. Are you from the UK? Yes, I am from the UK for the time being. I was born and bred here, but trying to work hard to leave the system. That was a good close in DAX. Could still drop, but I don't get what's going on here. Oh, so this is another thing just to show you where is like here is like the custom statistics. So on every trade you can choose, was it a good trade? Did you hit your confluences? Were the entry requirements there? Was the management good? Your trades session, the position type, add a position, that kind of stuff.
Oh yeah. Was it the same book when they try to rank emotion as well? They got a different. Somehow they got a grid though, isn't it? I think it's probably the same book in it.
Yeah, potentially. Yeah, it's a really good good way to kind of really track your trading essentially.
Yeah. The funny thing is when I read the audiobook, I have to imagine what that chart looks like while I'm driving at the same time. Like, Thomas, listen to it, have to imagine to it. So, well, quite good though. I quite enjoy that book. I'll read it again. It's only 11
Yeah.
hours, nothing. So, an hour a day, only less than 2 weeks. I can read it again.
Yeah, you should definitely read them too, because visually it's important to understand too.
Yeah, looking for next book now. I think someone mentioned the other. Let me do that.
The Mental Game. Anton really highly recommends the mental game. I'm like halfway through. That's also on the chart. So
Is it not the best loser wins? Which one is
I
that?
was just about to say
I think-
that best
I
loser
think-
wins is a
was
really
that
good
Anton?
one.
Was that you as well? I think he sent.
Yeah.
He sent that.
Yeah,
That one is a
probably-
really good one.
Yeah, I will download it then. Yeah, I got to feel credit anyway because I've not been listening to anything for the last few months. Then, yeah, I will download that.
I think I put that in the
Use my Kindle again,
resources.
finally.
Yeah, I'm not good at reading, so I'm more a listen person, I think. Yeah, because I can do other stuff while I'm actually listen to it. So usually I travel sometimes, so I use that to actually listen while I'm driving and stuff.
True
Oh, you see this,
multitasking.
right? This is a pattern A onto the downside. Retest on this, what was once a support, now resistance, and maybe continuation to the next zone.
Are you done today? Not going to add more entries, yeah?
No, I'm not
Discipline.
trading anymore. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay.
So you can like pretty much just do it like this.
On my wish list, I still got one more book. I think I mentioned some guy in the group mentioned already. It's called The Power of One More. I'm not sure why I've added it to my wish list now. Do you guys remember it? The Power of One More by Ed Millet. Not sure.
Yeah, Power of One More's good. I don't remember much of it though. It's pretty solid. Much better week this week. I need to clean up that day. There was
Have you done your custom stats on Edgewonk as well now, Dan? Dan? Can you not hear me?
I can. You're probably in the sewing or somewhere, but I can hear you.
sorry?
Can you hear me, Dan?
What did you say?
Can
you guys hear me?
Stats. Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello?
You say custom stat then? Something about custom stats.
I can't hear Anton.
I can hear him.
Was he talking?
Yeah, he
Yeah,
was
I
talking.
was.
Yeah. Yeah, right now
I
he's
can see
talking.
his thing moving, but I can't hear him.
That's weird. I can hear him.
Say something.
Hello? Hello?
Oh yeah, I can hear him now. There we go. I just need to remove him.
I
I
was
just
Unless
need
he
there
to
can
just
hear
remove you and
nattering
me
add you
this
away.
back.
time. Can he hear me this time?
Yeah.
I was saying, did you do your custom stats on Edgewonk now?
Yeah, I've done them all. And I've put them. I've updated. Like I'll probably say I'm like 70, 60, 70% using it. I think 2 more weeks it will be integrated a bit better. It's quite hard to do.
Shit.
I'm not gonna lie, it's quite hard to do that and Notions, but I need to keep Notions on point because Notions is really easy for me to review. But I know Edgeone's really good for statistics and optimizing. But I want to keep Edgewonk up to date. So in a month's time, the data is clean to review.
Yeah.
But Notions is important because it's part of the ritual. It keeps you disciplined. Yada yada yada.
No, facts.
I wonder, can you export H1 into like CSV format? Then you can import into Notion into table or something.
You can export it. Yeah, but you can't. Notions does integrate spreadsheets, but not that well yet. It will do. I've seen some people do them. Yeah, so it can be done, but I still prefer the edge Notions. It's because the way you learn. Like I'm a visual learner,
Mm-hmm.
and because of the way I visually learn, it just helps me with Notions. And yeah, Dax is going to drop. This is a really 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 nice setup, and I'm really happy I closed as well. So let's have a quick check on the market updates with some questions. So here we go. We've got Eddie here, Delgado. What's up here? Thank you for commenting. Let's have a look at GBPJPY. GBPJPY, I can say straight away would be bearish, right? Yeah, I mean, opening up the charts, if we top down analysis, 4 hours, I actually checked this morning anyway. GBPJPY was on a bullish run and it still is fairly bullish. But GBP has just been absolutely melting, and GBP/JPY is actually correcting itself. The way that it's completely reversed and broken all these resistance zones and support zones, I do believe it's going to come lower. I'm expecting a pullback up to 161. If we come to this region here, which is previously a support and resistance, plus it's my moving averages, plus by the looks of it, that looks like a fib retracement roughly, 50%. Same again, that gasses me up. The fact that I can call these fib levels. There are 3 confluences for price to pull back up to here, and if we hit here and we get a good setup, then you can get a sell. I'd be biased for a sell, and if you get a sell, trading is very simple, right? Like when you review it like this, you can literally just get a sell from like this, which is 3R and 4R. So very 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 nice trade. That's GBPJPY. Let's have a look at XR AUD CAD, which is another one. I'm assuming this will be bearish as well. Yeah. The reason I'm assuming this is bearish is because GBP CAD is weak, AUD is weak, therefore AUD CAD would also be weak across the board. And if we same thing top down analysis, if we go on the daily first, I mean we're on a huge bearish momentum. Still looking off for sell-offs at the moment, up to a major moving average resistance at the moment. Although here it does look like a slight reversal. So 4 hours and daily are against each other. 2 hours is against itself. And then if we look at 10 minutes, has broken through and could reverse and come lower. So initially we do look like at sells, but higher time frame looks higher. So nothing to trade off of this, and not something I want to trade either, essentially. And then crypto, let's have a look at XRP. So XRP is something we've been dollar cost averaging in. So we're running in profit nicely in this one. I'm actually in a trade somewhere in this, and that's just come all the way up to 0.55, 0.7 is TP1, and then I generally do believe this is going to be like a $5 to $10 coin over the next 5 years. So we still got plenty of room, but I'm not really too bothered what's going to happen daily. But I am keen on this in the next 5 years, alongside with Ethereum, alongside with Bitcoin. I am dollar cost averaging on those. To be honest, I don't even need to watch this chart anymore. Let's just watch GU instead. Ooh, Jesus, GBP USD unforgiving today. So
No, I can't get any entry in because I'm always on the BRE. it's not bouncing anywhere, breaking anywhere, or retesting it.
Hope that breakdown helps you. Is the quality really poor on watching the stream?
Grainy, yes.
About
Better
that.
now. Better now. But it was grainy. Maybe resolution is quite high.
What about, yeah, the resolution is very high. I guess I need to zoom in more like this. What's that look like?
It's fine. The price is not that cleared, but you can just about guess it.
Oh, I think I need to get the premium one. I'll get premium later. Once we start getting 20, 30, 40 plus people.
On what StreamYard?
Yeah.
Yeah, markets look absolutely terrible. The euro keeps falling against the dollar and the pound. Crazy.
I feel like back in February again, when the Russia announced the war again, everything's dropping again.
Yeah.
I think it's probably great for swing, well, not for swing trade, but for any momentum trader. This is probably the greatest time for them.
Oh my god! I closed my gold today at break even, and it's just tanking.
I want a short gold. Did you short gold? Because I would have shorted gold.
I shorted it from yesterday, and I thought, do you know what? It's been running for like overnight. Let me just close it, and now it's just started tanking. For fuck's sake.
Should have said that earlier, because one reason I know gold was going to short today is because GU already dropped, and this was going to follow through and follow suit, and DXY also gave the confirmation with that run.
Jesus.
Plus the amount of fear in the market. That was a really good sell. I wanted to sell this morning as well, but couldn't watch everything.
I remember gold was 2,000.
Yeah, man. Well, if you compare it, gold is still significantly high. If you're comparing it, so if I show you the monthly, and we look at it, it is very, very bullish still. I mean, price of gold was, if we compare it to here, actually, was 1,200, right? So we're still a fairly size up, double topped on 2K and then reversed, but still very bullish. But I do expect a reversal, and that's exactly what's happening. So we probably could come down to like 1360.
And then buy gold.
Yeah, I've got some gold. I want to sell it. No trades at the moment. No more trades now. To be honest, we gave a free trade today. It was on DAX, but the signal was sent in. Your Louis Vuitton. This was the trade we had today, which was DAX. It's in our signals group. So if you want to join that, head over to our website and check it out. Check it out now. What's up, money? Gold was beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Did you close it at break even?
I closed it at break even. I thought it was just gonna shoot off to my stop loss in it. And I thought it's been running for a while. Let me just close it.
I would always, I've said this time and time again, I'd always take stop loss? Break even pisses me off. Legit, break even depresses me because like I feel like I've done all of this not to make or lose money. I'd rather just lose the money.
No,
because the amount of times that in the past I've hit break even and it's hit take profit, I know in the long run I will make money.
True. Especially
Actually, you've done that twice now, and it's costed you 6R or whatever R it's costed you.
Yeah, I know. But this one, I stuck to my plan, and I just thought it's been running for ages now. Do you know what I mean? Overnight as well. So I thought, let me just close it. But it's gone off to the races
overnight, mate.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm up on my funded account, so now I just need 4% to make it, and I've got like 37 days. So hopefully next week will give that to me. God willing.
Louis Vuitton. Oh, this song is just replaying over and over.
What song is that?
You're gonna like it, bro. This is right up your alleyway. It's a Korean song. It's from Show Me the Money, if you've ever heard of it.
No, I haven't heard of it.
It's a rap contest in it. It's fucking sick.
Cool, I'll give it a listen.
Both of you. Oh, actually, wait. Yeah, watch this one as well. This is the performance. Well, like. Actually, better not play it just in case I get copyrighted. Let me play it on here instead. I'll play it up here.
Cool, I'll give it a listen.
I'm just watching it now. Counting star. Hey. 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 Chee. How much for a 50k funded account? I'm like vibing to this. You can come onto our website, and if you buy the course challenge, it gives you a 50k challenge account plus our course. Hey, it's on a discount for 38 days. Boom. But it's also with CTI Trader. Hey. Louis Vuitton, yeah, Louis Vuitton. Choo. That was dope. Let's listen to the other one. Well, I'm pretty much finished. So, GE pullback. The DAX pull. Oh, DAX pop dropped to the TP. That was a good lesson to learn from. Yeah, that was very good to learn from. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, retest, pattern A, continuation. Beautiful. Very happy. Very, very happy. All right, absolute solid week. DAX is gonna melt like a mofo. Right. So, guys, thank you very much for joining today. For the people on YouTube, you guys are the best. We'll see you on Monday morning. Monday morning back with another one trade a day, keeps the job away. And today we had DAX, and that kept the job away, definitely for sure. So that is that. I will see you all on Monday. Remember to check out our website, wchampfx.com. Got courses. This is my main course where I teach everything, absolutely everything in trading, psychology, discipline. There's 2 courses over there, over 50 hours of content, A to Z in trading, everything. Got our signals as well, which is the learn and earn. It's not just signals. We also have our learn and earn tab, which actually I can show you now. Obviously, you get your weekly calls. All of this content here you get for free as well. There's also a free little individual course here as well that you get with that. So obviously, if money is a little bit on the tighter side or you can't commit to that full amount, that's cool. You can jump on to the learn and earn, which is less than a coffee a day. So check that out. And then we've got the funded course, which I'm working on. I'm going to create this whilst I'm traveling and obviously on my journey. So check that out as well. That you can do it with you can roll in the course with a challenge account, or you can just buy the course only. So I'm still working on that. And then last but not least, if you're after any like bundles, you get absolutely everything with this one. So you get the 50k account, full course, crypto course, funded course, 3-month signals, weekly calls, the whole shebang. And actually, I'll put in a few one-to-one calls in this one. This one's a 12-week program, so a 12-week boot camp, and you'll be able to enroll yourself into any boot camps in the future. I'm working on this. This will be fully launched in December. A little bit about me if you want to. There's my vlog, my story, my 2 interviews. I'm going to do more interviews. I'm also getting some articles written about me soon, so hopefully they'll be cool. I've seen some interviews with like Yahoo, Forbes, and Huffington Post and Business Insider. I'm just seeing what it takes to get on there and try and go on there. And then these are the free resources if you want to check them out and download and watch them here. Literally, download and watch them here, and then our referrals. So that is pretty much it. Thank you all, and we will see you all on Monday. Don't be late. Counting stars.